Well, hi there, and welcome to this quick episode of Hey, What's Next? A viewer of the channel has graciously donated a product, and it's this. Whoa, wait a minute. That is a little bit too small. Let me go zooming in on this here. There we go. You're not going to want to miss this. The Bond Mini Retro Bluetooth Speaker. This is what's next. Well, thanks again to the viewer of the channel. And I wanted to get it up quick because the stock will probably be running low at this point. I wanted to give my opinion. I've already tested this out. I think you're going to be quite surprised. This is the front of the product. You're going to notice that this is kind of a pinkish color. It comes in like, I think, green and white, maybe? Anyways, Bluetooth compatible, USB recharging, adjustable volume, just like with most of the other Bluetooth speakers we reviewed. We have that big gigantic UPC, and then on the back we have long-lasting playtime, easy to carry with a leather handle. Includes FM radio. The model number on this is 712774 right here. And its release date was December of 2024. No, the bow does not come with it. That was part of the gift, but that's the top of the box, the bottom of the box, and then the other side, here we have the USB-C, TF card, USB, and aux in. All right, well, let's go ahead and get this opened. Owner's manual, the speaker itself. Yeah, I'm having to zoom in because this is really small. I love the look of this thing. It definitely has that retro look. You have your turning knob, which is your volume, forward and backward. This is your power button, your play, pause, and I think it has something to do with phone. We'll look at the owner's manual in just a moment. And on the bottom, we have some additional information here. Input 5 volt, 1 amp, so basically 5 watt. And this is the back. And whoa, what's this? We actually have a bass port back here. And again, you're going to be quite surprised at the sound on this one compared to the last speaker that we reviewed. Yeah, it wasn't that good, but this one for sure. Lithium battery is 500 milliamps, 3.7 volts. Probably going to get about 3 hours of playtime on this. There's all your connections down at the bottom. You have your little feet down here. There's your leather handle, but man, look at the front of this thing. It is all plastic. None of this is metal. You can see the speaker is right here. You have that gold kind of copper accents. So what else is in the box here? The aux cable, your USB-A to USB-C connection. Before we test the speaker, I completely forgot about looking at the owner's manual. Here we got some more specs. It is Bluetooth version 5.3. Range is about 10 meters. There is one caveat. If you want to use the FM radio, which we are not going to try tonight, you have to use the USB-C cable. This is basically the antenna for the radio. And one of the things that I saw when I was reading through this was the ability to receive calls. So it says when receiving calling, short press to answer, double press will refuse the call. And I looked on the back of the unit and there is a mic next to the USB port. But just keep that in mind. For the money, I think $8, $7.99. What a great steal. Let's test this out. All right, to get started, I already have the phone set to the Bluetooth page under settings. I'm going to go ahead and press and hold the power button.
Bluetooth mode.
It comes up as Bond speaker, so I'm going to go ahead and click that.
Connected.
So that gives you an idea of the sound quality. There's definitely a little bit more bass compared to the last speaker that I reviewed. And one of the other things you can see here that I'm adjusting the volume. So it's a digital knob. It seems to work pretty good. Let's go ahead and we're going to add a TF card into here and let's see if it'll play the MP3. We're going to put in the TF card. You're going to hear that it's going to announce we've connected through the TF card.
Play by TF card.
And there you go. So you can hear the bass. Really comes through. if you have an Aldi's nearby and you're looking for some last minute gifts, this might be it. So what are my final thoughts on a $8 speaker from Aldi compared to our last review of a Bluetooth speaker from them? This speaker is just fun. This is not going to be audiophile quality, but I am really impressed with the bass that's on the back of this, the functions that this comes with. I think this is a great deal. You really can't go wrong with this. I hope you found today's topic helpful and informative. If you like what you saw, take a moment. Give me a thumbs up. To have this channel appear in your feed, please click the subscribe button and that bell notification icon. Feel free to watch one of my other episodes either here or here. And until next time, I will see you again for another episode of Hey, What's Next?